to see the dislikes on YouTube, you first need to have Google Chrome in your PC or laptop. If you don't have it, just search in Google how to download Chrome. If you have it already, just open Chrome and click the three dots on the upper right corner. Click More Tools and select Extensions. This will open this page where you will see all the extensions in your Google Chrome. We'll just have to add an extension for you to see the dislikes on YouTube. Just click this button on the upper left corner of your screen. Click Open Chrome in Web Store. In the search bar, just search Return YouTube Dislike. Now just open the first result that will appear, which is this one. Then just click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Click Add Extension. This will open a new tab confirming that you have successfully added the extension. After that, you can just remove all these tabs and check YouTube. Open any video on YouTube and here you will see the dislikes on this video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.